Hi everybody, I'm Kirsten Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you a scary design. Is it that scary?
I don't know, I haven't seen it yet.
Neither have I, it's in my head.
Then it's definitely scary.
It's a ghostly design. So I'm working on a tip today for this design. This is something that is quick, that you can do in a salon. If you're doing this on a natural nail, you would need to base coat the nail. If you're doing it on acrylic, you can go straight on with your colour once you have buffed the nail. I have buffed this tip, as you can see. You don't always have to buff the tip because we're just doing this for demonstration purposes. I am using Serious Black. Yeah, I came up with this idea while I was just lying in bed, pondering about Halloween designs. And in my head it works so well. Well, let's see if it actually does work. So I'm going to cure that. I got new hair. Don't care.
It matches your t-shirt.
I know, well, cancelled on purpose.
Oh really? And your
like,
eyeshadow.
Yeah, and my eyeshadow, yeah. Can you see? I'm going to do 2 coats. I mean, it is pretty black, to be honest with you. I can't see any sort of see-through parts. But I do want it to be the blackest it could possibly be. So we're going to make that nice and black. Top tip to get a smooth application is to drag through the polish really slow and really flat. Don't splay the brush, so don't do this because it'll create bubbles. You want to go really flat, so keep that angle low and go slow. Slow and low.
Slow, slow, slow.
Slow, slow, slow. Gonna cure that. So that's all set, and what we're going to do now is we're going to use the blooming gel. Now in my head this works a treat. We'll see if it works. I will need a little bit of some backing paper from a sculpting foam just to put some of the white on. So this is Snow White. I have my 7 Dwarf here.
What? Fatty?
Yeah, fatty bum bum. No, he's not fat. Just big boned.
Just big boned.
Big boned, Dad. I would never say you were fat.
I'm not. Shout.
I am going to put a bit of gel residue wipe off solution in a dampened disc just so I can clean my brush more than anything. So now I'm going to apply blooming gel. Then we're going to use the brush in the white. And you want to just do this quite basic, it doesn't need to be perfect. So you just want to leave spaces for eyes, and then the mouth. Bring this a little bit longer.
It's actually quite scary.
So you can see it's starting to move and get that sort of softness to it, which makes it look more ghostly. I am going to add a little bit more white around the eyes. And then going to come from there down. And just let that move. By that I mean you let it flow, let it move in that blooming gel. So it's really simple. You don't have to be good at drawing. All you need to do is make sure you place the eyes and a little bit of a nose and the mouth all in the right place. But it, you know, because it's a ghost, it doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of, as long as it's got two eyes, a nose and a mouth that goes, then you'll be fine. So once you're happy with how much it has bloomed, then you can go ahead and cure that in the lamp. Once that's set, we are going to top coat, because this is not a top coat, it has a real strong sticky layer. It needs to be top coated. And then now, once this is cured, it will not have a sticky layer. So this is something really quick you can do in the salon, and you can do it over the top of a set of nails that maybe somebody's already got on that they're a little bit bored with and they want something for Halloween season. And pop that into the lamp. So you can see that the blooming gel gives it that sort of ghostly effect, and it gives it depth as well. Super easy to do. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that video, and I hope you have a fantastic time at Halloween, whatever you are doing. Last year I dressed up as a unicorn. I don't know what I'll dress up as this year. We'll see. Maybe a dead unicorn.
You're going to get so much hate now for killing unicorns.
Oh, I know. Everything I've used today will be listed below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, you're there. I'm used to looking there. Not today.